In related news, several House Solons assured the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte will be handled fairly and undergo the necessary process. Aside from this, lawmakers promised not to ignore other issues and concerns that would also demand their attention and appropriate action. PTV's Mela Lesmoras tells us more.
Several lawmakers assured the impeachment complaint filed against Vice President Sara Duterte in the House of Representatives will undergo fair and due process. According to Tingog Party List Representative Jude Asidre, under the Constitution, they are mandated to act on any impeachment complaint filed before the lower house, so this move is in fulfillment of such duty under the law. Bataan 1st District Representative Geraldine Roman echoed this statement.
Rest assured na kung anumang processing, deliberations, they will be transparent and they will follow to the small letter, Due process will be followed.
Kailangan mabigyan natin ng kaukulang pansin at atensyon yung mga issue na mahalaga sa taong bayan sa ngayon, pero hindi rin natin kailangan talikuran ang constitutionally mandated ang mandate ng konstitusyon sa Kongreso sa mababang kapulungan na aksyonan ang ma-impeachment complaint.
Meanwhile, in a separate press conference, the Makabayan Bloc announced another impeachment complaint will be filed in the lower house against the Vice President within this week. According to Kabataan Party List Representative Raul Manuel, various people's organizations are in the forefront of this initiative and confident the complaint will move forward, even as some are saying it is already running out of time.
Well, tingin ko dahil December 18 pa, yung last day ng session ng House of Representatives, ako optimistic ako na merong sapat na panahon, tapos merong time pa before the campaign period kasi ang session ng Congress magre-resume po siya by January 13 after nung holiday break. So, ibig sabihin, may ganong panahon pa para sa mga senador na upuan din talaga ang impeachment complaint na ipo-forward ng Kamara, assuming nga na, susulong siya.
From PTV Manila, Mela Lesmoras, Balitang Pambansa.